Yo, yo guys, what's good? It's gonna be a room tour of my cabin at sea. As you can see, we're at sea. Lol. So this is where I sleep on one of the bunk beds, and then down below is the other two people. Then we got a TV here that doesn't really do much, can't really watch coming away, but who cares? And then outside here, we've got the sea, and you can just sit down, eat something. There's also restaurants downstairs which are very yummy, like a dessert bar where I can eat like chocolate mint cake and all that. And yeah, this is basically, it's a bit small, but it's also just the right amount. And there's a painting here that's very good. And yeah, just bags. And then that's the door there. And a bathroom's in there. Also, the people there, they made us some weird looking cow things, which are kind of funny. It's very funny. Look at how cute that is.